What's up, you guys? It's your boy, Bill. So, I was just struggling for about an hour or so getting, where you at? That turd on the transmission jack. So, we got it on there, balanced. We're good. Now, let's try to get this thing mounted up into the car, at least get the cross member bolts for the back on, and then once that's done, start putting everything else back together. Y'all want to see me struggle? There it is, fellas. We got the cross member bolted up. We got the torque tube. I got 3 bolts in it right now, 4 bolts. Focus, dude. I still didn't finish getting the top ones, and I think there's one on the bottom. But yeah, the clutch line is hooked up. I need to go through my pictures and just make sure all this wiring is correct and how it was routed. But other than that, we just need to hook up the brake lines, plug in the wiring, fill it with fluids, and then go from there. We still need to bolt the control arms back on, the shocks, the fuel line for the aux pump to the fuel tank right there. But yeah, she's in, boys. We're getting closer. That's all I got for today. We had a pretty long day. Fortunately, we lost a loved one. She was one of the coolest, nicest people you'd ever know. We actually buried her today, and it's hard, but she was fighting cancer for a long time, and I know that she's at peace now. She's not fighting. She's with our good Lord above. So yeah, hug your loved ones as much as you can. Tell them you love them. You'll never know when your day's coming. We're not promised tomorrow, but yeah, Jesus loves you guys. Peace.